Hello, everyone, and welcome to class. My name is Colin. I will be your teacher today. Today we are looking at de-stressing. So a lot of the times in our lives are very stressful. It's always nice to come out a little bit, have a little bit of time for ourselves, just to kind of decompress before we end up starting the weekend, going out with our friends, with our families, or with our children. These sequences we're making today, anybody can do. They're good for all levels, nice and easy. It's just about stretching and taking some time for ourselves. So to get started, we're simply going to start with our hands on our knees for a moment. We're going to close our eyes. We're just going to take a few breaths here, just to kind of get our minds away from work or whatever is stressing us at the moment. Open up our eyes here. Once you put your hands outside of you, try and keep it in a nice straight line from hand, shoulder onto the other side. So what we're going to do here, nice easy stretch. We're going to breathe in. We're going to bring our right hand up. We're going to walk that left hand out a little bit. And here, just slowly bring the elbow down towards the mat. Here, it does not matter how far down we go. Just get a nice stretch along the whole outside of your body. Make sure here you're nice and open chest, facing either knee or facing the wall. Doesn't matter. But you're nice and open. Try not to roll inside of the body. Once we breathe in here, we're going to come up and then drop that right hand. Now we're going to breathe in, we're going to bring up that left hand. We're going to do the same thing here. Walk the right hand out a little bit, and then slowly bring the elbow down. Make sure here chest is nice and open. So the movements today are nice and easy. They're there to help you relax and kind of stretch out some of the stress from the day being held within the muscles in your body. So it's not going to be anything too strenuous or difficult. We're going to breathe in here, we're going to come back up, hands on the ground. Go and bring your hands back onto your knees. We're doing here a nice easy twist. I want you to put your left hand on your right knee. You're going to breathe in here. You're going to bring the right hand nice and high up. You're going to do a nice twist here, bringing the hand on the floor behind you. And then here, nice straight back. Look at the wall opposite you. Just take a few breaths here just to help out the tension. So here, as you breathe in, you'll notice that that right shoulder tends to come forward a little bit. And as you breathe out, you'll feel that you end up in a little bit more of a twist. Just allow your body to move up and down with your breath. So not this kind of twisting like you would do with a rag trying to get all the water out of it. Allow this twisting to happen with your breath. You're going to breathe in. You're going to bring the right hand all the way to the front, onto the left knee. So we're going to do the other side here. Breathe in, left hand comes up. Breathe out, left hand goes down on the mat. Make sure here you have a nice straight back. And then take a few breaths, allow your upper body to move with your breath. All right, we're going to breathe in, you're going to look forward, bring both hands back onto the knees here. Okay, so what we want to do here, we're going to go into child's pose for a moment. You're going to come in, nice wide legs, so put the knees nice and wide, push your into the hands, come behind, and just push into the hands so that you're pushing your butt to your heels, and you can drop your head here. can also rest your head on the mat. That's okay, not a problem there at all. Let's get into the sides and to the back a little bit more. You're going to bring out the left hand. I'm doing it on the left one, so you see first about 45 degrees out, and breathing in and then breathing out. Bring the right hand beside you, or on top of the other hand. And here basically just kind of allow yourself to relax into it a little bit. You feel that stretch along the right side. Breathe in, come back into the middle. Now we're going to do the other side. So right hand comes out 45 degrees here, left hand comes on top of the right, and then you're just kind of loosen out and just allow your body to fall a little bit onto this left side. Breathe in here, both hands in the middle, one last time. Push here into the hands. And as you breathe in, I want you to come up on your hands and knees. You're going to stay here for a second. So make sure here that the knees are hip width apart. Make sure the hands are basically underneath the shoulders. So we're going to do a cat and cow pose here. Everybody knows this one. So as we breathe in, drop the belly nice and low, look up. Take your time. As you breathe out, I want you to roll the back all the way up, like a cat. Breathing in here, we're going to come back through, looking up. And as you breathe out, do the same thing, tuck the chin, roll the back all the way up. And then breathing in, come through again. Let's do one last time, breathing out, roll back up. Breathing in, coming back up, looking up. Alright, you're going to breathe in, come back into the neutral position. So what we're going to do here is you're going to put the right leg up for a moment. Try to have it parallel to the ground. Breathing in, bring the leg up. Breathing out, bring the right foot to the front of the mat between your hands. And here, nice and easy, we're going to breathe out. First, I'm going to bring my hands on the knees. Make sure here that you have a nice stable position. So what we're going to do here is going to breathe in. As you breathe out, it's going to stretch most likely quite a bit here in this leg. Going to push that right knee forward a bit, first of all. Only feel till you start to feel that stretch, not more, because it's going to get more intense in a second. So here we're going to breathe in. You're going to sweep the hands up over your head, and you do a back bend. You're going to breathe in back into the middle, breathing out, bring the hands down onto the knee. Alright, breathing in here, move the knee back into the middle, breathing out, hands on the mat, right foot goes back. Alright, find your stable spot here. We're now going to do the other side. So first, left leg goes up, nice and flat. Now try to get it parallel to the ground. Breathing in, leg goes up, nice and high. Breathing out, left foot comes front, in between the hands. Breathing in here, hands come on the knees. As you breathe out, push that knee nice and forward. Really get that stretch in the quads on that right leg. Alright, breathing in here, hands sweep up over the head. Breathing out, go into this back bend. Try to keep the shoulders here nice and relaxed. Breathing into the middle here, breathing out, hands come down onto the knee. Breathing in, come back into the middle. Breathing out, hands on the mat. This time here, the left foot goes back. All right, what we're going to do here is as we breathe out, we're going to come down, sitting on our heels just for a moment. Hands can come here on your thighs. They can come on your waist. Whatever for you feels best. You can also just have your hands open on your thighs, and this works also. There's no reason here to do anything special. But make sure here that you roll the shoulders back and then tuck the shoulder blades down and try to force them into your back pockets of your jeans or your pants. Now, really here, open up the chest, bring the shoulder blades together, drop them down, and allow them to relax a little bit. Try to make an adjustment here for the posture. If you feel a lot of tension here, then roll the shoulders up again. Pull the shoulder blades together, drop the shoulder blades into the pockets of your pants all the way at the bottom, and then release a little bit. Okay, what we're going to do here now is come sitting down. We're going to be laying down, but come sitting down first now, and then whatever is best and most comfortable for you, you're just going to come and lay down on the mat. First and foremost, I want to take your knees here, give them a nice big hug towards your chest. You can also here kind of rock back and forth, side to side a bit. Giving that lower back a nice little massage. What we're going to do is we're going to drop the feet onto the mat. So here, keep them hip width apart. Bring as close to your body as possible. You're going to put your hands down on the mat flat, head and shoulders on the mat. Roll the shoulders underneath you. Whenever you're ready here, you're going to breathe in, you're going to bring the hips up, nice and high. Just kind of sit here for a moment. So these here you can do in the evening, you can do them in the morning, anytime you're feeling stressed. Also, if you like this video, like the content in the video, then please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button after we're done today. Nice and easy, breathe in. As you breathe out, try to roll down, keeping the hips up as high as possible for as long as possible. You're rolling your spine front and back here with the hips coming down on the last little section. We're going to take our knees back up. You're going to give another hug. Bring the knees into the middle. So here, hands come up over your head. What we're going to do here is we're going to breathe in. Spread out the arms nice and wide. So keeping the feet off the mat first. We're going to breathe in here. As you breathe out, allow the knees to fall on the right side first. Nice and easy. Allow the knees and also the feet to touch the ground as best as possible. If both knees are not touching, it's okay. And then here, look over onto your left hand. Just relax here, take a nice few deep breaths. You'll feel here also like a twist earlier, the body kind of moves with the breath. How to move with the breath, don't try to fight it or force it that it stays in one exact position. Alright, we're going to breathe in and lift the knees into the middle. As you breathe out, now we do the other side, so we're going to drop the knees onto the left side, and then move your head to look at your right hand. Try to really relax into it here. And allow your body to just move with your breath. Here what I want you to do is roll over onto your right side, or to the left side, come up, sitting nice and straight, and then we're going to come back into a cross-legged position here. I mean, depending on the day you want to do it, so let's put our hands on our knees here, back straight back. So here, depending on the time of day, you can go into Shavasana, which is corpse pose afterwards, and just lay down on your back with your eyes closed, focusing on your breath. If it's the beginning of the day or in the middle of the day, then I suggest just coming back to sitting cross-legged, with the hands on the knees, closing the eyes here, and just taking a few breaths just for the last minute or so. And try to keep your eyes closed. And the best thing to do here is, I want you to think of one thing that you're grateful for today. And then here, whenever you're ready, slowly open your eyes and come back into the room. So I hope that these little yoga positions help to de-stress you a little bit. Also remember at the end, think of something that you were grateful for. Thinking when our day is stressed and when we have so much to do, a lot of the time, just taking this one moment, finding this one thing in the day that we're grateful for, the one thing that made us happy, will help to change our mindset and will help us also maybe to get rid of some of the stress that occurred throughout the day. I thank you very much for joining me today. I really do hope you liked this video. I have many other videos on other things, including if you have special injuries. As a rehabilitative sports trainer for people with orthopedic problems, I also take care all the time of people who have issues with knees, shoulders, backs, and the like. So I have videos on that. Also, if you're interested, take a look at my channel, and I'm sure you'll find them there. I want to wish you guys all a great day, and I will see you in the next video.